helicopter collided with a tree while landing in Fiji. Thanks to luck and skill, everyone was safe, like a real-life miracle.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
In a devastating development, historic flooding fueled by record-breaking rainfall has claimed at least one life in Lawton, Oklahoma.
Yo, these are nice cars, too. Whoa, look at that. It flipped over.
Or an event in Denver were blown away, creating a chaotic scene no one expected. The giant hand of nature, Cyclone Varda easily overturned cars, making everything seem unexpectedly small and fragile. Rising floodwaters slowly engulf this truck as the driver struggles to escape. This man narrowly escapes a falling roof tile during storm. Through a narrow street, turning it into a raging river within seconds. Raging waters engulf everything within moments, showcasing the devastating and relentless power of nature. USA. A catastrophic moment unfolds as the dam gate suddenly collapses, releasing a torrent of water downstream. Watch as this massive landslide tears through the landscape, dragging homes and trees straight into the water. Stay with us, because what's unfolding here could have a lasting impact, not just on the residents, but across the entire state. captured on April 26, 2024. This powerful tornado ripped through Nebraska and Iowa, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake.
Ora may masuk. Abre inundado, olha.
With floodwaters rising at an alarming rate, the city has been plunged into chaos. Water rescues, road closures, and devastation everywhere you look. This is a flood disaster you need to hear about.
Nossa.
Oh, meu Deus, a Dona Luzia abriu a porta ali, gente, com mais de 1 metro de água. Não, e aquele cara...
Southwest Oklahoma is now under siege, battered by relentless storms that unleashed flash floods across the region.
Power flashes.
Within just a few short hours, some areas were slammed with up to 5 inches of rain, leading to widespread flash flooding that swallowed roads, homes, and businesses. The downpour created deadly, life-threatening conditions. Emergency responders were stretched to their limits, rushing from one water rescue to the next. The Lawton Fire Department reported dozens of rescues as teams raced against time to save those trapped in the rising floodwaters. It all began when I-44, one of the region's busiest highways, was slammed by flooding. Especially near Exit 41, the highway became completely impassable as torrents of water surged over the road. Drivers were suddenly trapped in their vehicles with no way out, while others found themselves stranded inside their homes as the water rose dangerously fast. And despite efforts to reopen some major roads, the threat was far from major roadways like I-44 in Medicine Park and US 62 in Lawton were temporarily shut down, later reopening to provide a glimmer of hope for commuters and residents fighting their way through the chaos.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest developments.